Excellence launched by SBI to support financing of sunrise sector. Financial literacy week 26 RBI launched FLW 9 से 13 Feb theme KYC your first step to safe banking. Kotak Mahindra Bank enabled India's first fully digital API license with end-to-end sign-based registration and account opening. New series of consumer price index released by MOSPI. Base year updated 12 से 24. Food beverages weight reduced from 45.86 to 36.75%. Basket size increased from 299 से 358. Goods and service. New edition online media streaming value added ID Barley product pen drive exercise equipment babysitter service cleaner fuels rural house rent. Alwar Rajasthan became the India's first district to achieve 100% insurance coverage under the Insurance for All by 2047 roadmap for the Government of India. Central Bank of the UAE announced the launch of the world's first sovereign financial cloud with AI to strengthen secure digital financial infrastructure. Kerala became first state to announce elderly budget 26-27. RBI state finance report 25-26 shows wide demographic gap. Median age 23 बिहार 237. केरला ओल्ड एज डिपेंडेंसी 14 से 30%. मिनिमम इम्पोर्ट प्राइस ऑन पेनिसिलिन जी. गवर्नमेंट सेट MIP to curb cheap import and support domestic API industry. Penicillin G 6-APA amoxicillin. Cooking coal declared a critical strategic mineral by Government of India under MMDR Act 1957. Global AI for Energy Mission. International Solar Alliance launched at the India AI Impact Summit 26 to promote AI based clean energy system in 120 countries. Solid waste management rule 26 notified MOEFC replaced solar rule mandate strict वेस्ट सेग्रीगेशन फ्रॉम 1 अप्रैल 26. उत्तराखंड क्रॉस 1 गीगावाट इंस्टॉल सोलर पावर कैपेसिटी. सक्षम 26 फ्यूल कंजर्वेशन कैंपेन इन चंडीगढ़. सक्षम चंडीगढ़. इंडिया एडेड 2 न्यू वेटलैंड रामसर साइट. पटना बर्ड सेंचुरी स्मॉलेस्ट बर्ड सेंचुरी यूपी इटा. चाहड़ी धंध वेटलैंड रिजर्व गुजरात. केरला डिक्लेयर्ड tidal flooding a state specific disaster eligible for disaster relief fund. Palamu Tiger Reserve Jharkhand launched 1GB Didi women led conservation initiative. Chhattisgarh Forest Department 6 hornbill restaurant to conserve the Malabar pied hornbill. 3 cheetah cub born at Kuno National Park MP, raising India's cheetah population to 38. Gujarat regains tiger status after 33 years. NTCA confirmed tiger presence in Ratnamahal Wildlife Sanctuary. Ratnamahal, Gujarat. Turtle Trail budget 26-37 proposal in Odisha, Karnataka, Kerala raise concern over impact on olive ridley turtle nesting. Rusikulya Beach, Odisha. Rusikulya, Odisha. Ratnamahal, Gujarat. Nahai launched India's first bee corridor initiative for pollinator conservation. Sweet revolution. India's next generation tsunami warning system. Andaman Nicobar deduct seismic and non-seismic tsunami. Belagram in Maharashtra become state first net zero village. Amount of greenhouse gas added not more than removed. India's nominated living root bridge of Meghalaya to UNESCO for 26-27 वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज इवोल्यूशन साइकिल. रूट ब्रिज मेघालय. इंडिया एनर्जी वीक 26 कंक्लूडेड इन गोवा फ्रॉम जनवरी 26 से 30. लेक विक्टोरिया पासेज परमानेंट टॉक्सिक algal bloom affecting millions in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Rhinoceros beach in Iceland is facing rapid coastal erosion. Black volcanic sand. Piton de Fornaz volcano on Reunion Island, France overseas treaty. Swalcoat hydroelectric project on Chenab, J&K. Pakistan South talk with India under Indus Water Treaty. Sovereign AI model India. India unveiled Sarvam AI. कथी है भाई जनानी AI. भारत जेन एट इंडिया AI इम्पैक्ट समिट 26 to build India focused AI capability. AI Preneurs of India launched by Atal Innovation Mission at India AI Impact Summit. India's AI is top 5 layer framework for large scale AI used in health, agriculture, education and governance. Cabinet approved India's first underwater rail cum road tunnel under Brahmaputra River in Assam, connecting Gohpur Numaligarh, second of its kind globally after Germany. AI for Agri Summit 26 held in Mumbai showcased global AI innovation and investment opportunity in agriculture. Delhi launched first AI-driven CM Sri School in Sarojini Nagar. Silchar Sairang passenger train service launched to improve connectivity to Mizoram. Amravati AP capital will host India's first quantum valley under the National Quantum Mission. Bari Energy will establish India's largest lithium-ion battery gigafactory in Andhra Pradesh. India launched world first doctor-led AI healthcare ecosystem iLive Connect for 24/7 monitoring. Heaven 1 world first private space station to be launched 27 on a SpaceX Falcon 9 being developed by US space startup Vast. Dubai will launch Dubai Loop, an underground transport system first implemented in Las Vegas, US. India inaugurated first private helicopter assembly line for Airbus H125 in Karnataka. C295 aircraft first made in India to roll out from Airbus. Tata Vadodara deal with Spain for 56 aircraft. E175Z Adani Defense Aerospace and Brazil Embraer signed an enhanced MOU to set up an E175 regional jet final assembly line in India under Make in India. Namo Bharat Rapid Rail Meerut Metro PM inaugurated from a single platform. Meerut Metro run on Namo Bharat infrastructure, fastest metro. India's doctor population ratio. India achieved 1:811 better than WHO. 1 into 1000 13.88 lakh registered allopathic doctor, 7.51 lakh Ayush practitioner. India launched first national bio bank for lysosomal storage disorder. Sujivika Jitendra Singh launched an AI-driven biotech product data portal by Department of Biotechnology. Larsen Turbo got the contract from Department of Atomic Energy to build laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory LIGO at Hingoli, Maharashtra to detect gravitational wave.